How to fix Discord app stock on connecting screen on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. The very first thing you want to do is switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. In the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Likewise, open the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Scroll all the way down. Click on Configure DNS. Check in for the option of Manual. Once you set it to Manual, over here you will find the section of DNS servers. Delete all the existing DNS servers and then click on Add Server. Type in 1.1.1.1 and click on Save. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, head back to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open the option General. Open the option iPhone Storage. Now from here you have to find the app Discord. Once you find it, open it. You will see the option of Upload app. Click on it. Click on Upload app. After you upload the app, click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, head back. After you land to the general page, scroll down, you will see the option of shutdown. Click on it. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, another thing you can do is close this. Open your app store. Now search for the app Discord. After app appears, you will see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your Discord app to its latest version. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix Discord app stock and connecting screen on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.